It's a delicacy from Mughlai cuisine. It's a perfect party dish. Yes, I'm talking about Murgh Musaalaam. This is a dish that was created in imperial kitchens during India's Mughal era. Mughlai dishes are such a treat because they are so rich and decadent. So let's see how we make it. First step is to make deep cuts on the whole chicken as directed. It's not mandatory to use the whole chicken, you can also use large pieces of chicken. It's not mandatory to tie the legs, but overall the chicken looks better usually if you do it. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons vinegar. Rub it nicely. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Nicely massage. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Rub again. And keep aside for 30 minutes. In a mixer grinder, add 15 almonds and 15 cashews, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, goes in some water, blend it nicely and set aside. And now I'm going to make the marinade for the chicken. Take a large bowl, add 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 3 tablespoon curd, 1/4 teaspoon red color, this is optional, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all the marinade ingredients together and now rub it well inside the cuts and all around very well. Leave it to marinate overnight, otherwise 3 hours at least. And now I'm making boiled egg masala. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 finely chopped onion. Saute till it becomes translucent. Add 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for few seconds. To this I'm adding 1 chopped tomato. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Goes in some water. To this I am adding some finely chopped coriander leaves. Cook this for few seconds. And now I am going to add 2 boiled eggs. Mix well. And set aside. And now I'm going to make the gravy. Heat up a pot with 1/4 cup oil, adding 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Saute till it becomes golden brown. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Give this a very good mix. Goes in 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Give this a very good mix. Add half teaspoon salt and adjust as per your taste. To this I am adding 1 cup tomato paste. and some finely chopped coriander leaves. Add half cup water. Mix well and cook till water absorbs. To this I am adding blended almond and cashew mixture. Give this a very good mix. Add some leftover water of almonds. And I forget to add tandoori masala, adding 1 tablespoon tandoori masala in it. Add some more water and slow cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's done, set aside. Heat 1/4 cup oil in a large non-stick pan. Place the marinated chicken. And now I'm going to stuff the boiled egg masala inside the chicken. Close the lid and cook for 15 minutes in a medium-high heat. Once it's done, gently turn the other side. Close the lid again and cook for 15 minutes. Like this, you have to cook each side for 10 to 15 minutes on medium-high heat till the masala absorbs and till chicken becomes tender. Once the chicken is completely cooked, place the chicken on the cooked gravy. Pour all the masala on top. Cook 5 more minutes in a slow flame and set aside. Let's see how I make the rice. Add 3 tablespoons ghee in a pan. Add 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 cardamom. Goes in sliced almonds and roughly chopped kaju. Roast it nicely. To this I am adding fried onions. Add 4½ glass of water. And a teaspoon of salt. Close the lid once it comes to boil. Adding 3 cups soaked basmati rice. Mix well. And cook rice till it's completely done. And now the process is done. Now transfer rice on serving dish. Place the murgh on top of the rice. Transfer the gravy in a serving bowl. Garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves and serve immediately. You can make this dish on special occasions, and Murgh Musaalaam goes with pulao or naan. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out for you. So let's stay connected. Follow me on my Instagram page Shimi'S.kitchen for the latest updates and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Take care and have a nice day.